Hey everyone, we are Deckersgooutdoors, and we're here today changing the oil on this Honda CRF 50. What size wrench you got there, buddy?
17.
17 millimeter wrench. And which way you gonna turn that to loosen it?
Lefty loosen.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, you get it? Just so you all know, it's this bolt right here or this lip right there.
It's hot.
Just give you a little nudge. There you go. Now you do it. You get it?
Not yet.
I think you can do it with your hand now. He's wearing gloves so he don't get any oil on his hands. Use your hand now. Just take it off there.
Big boy now. These days.
Are you getting it?
Yep. Taking long though.
We are using the GM4 4-stroke motor oil. It's a Honda oil. We're using a 10W40.
Jeez.
And that's why we wear gloves. Keep the oil off our hands. Here's your towel. Wipe your gloves off. We're going to clean that plug too. Okay, you can take those gloves off now.
Finally. It drips. You never said
We're going to use 0.6 quarts of oil in this. 0.6 quarts.
Okay.
Now, we're also, once it gets during drainer, we're going to pull this crank a little bit. Can you pull it? Let it drain a little more oil. All the way down. I may have to kick it. There we go. Squirt a little more out. Make sure it's off. You don't want to start it with no oil in it.
Well, what happened?
It'll grind up all the metal parts in there.
What's grinding?
Means there won't be no metal left. And then you won't be able to ride a bike.
What's metal mean?
Okay, now you're going to put this plug back in there.
Okay.
Which way are you going to turn the plug?
I have to have the gloves.
Nope, you don't need gloves. You're oil free now.
What happens if we get oil on me?
We're not going to.
It's dripping.
I know, we got a towel right there. We'll put the plug in there. I'll start it for you.
So I can't drip.
Which way are we going to tighten this?
The lefty was.
Righty, no, righty, tighty. We're tightening this to 18 foot-pounds. You got it? Oh, you feel it click? Hold on, go pull back, try again. Make sure that wasn't click. Now pull again. See, when you hear it click, it's done. Nope. Let's try again. Give it another turn. Okay, turn again. Oh, there it is. Feel that?
Yeah.
That's a click. That's 18 foot-pounds.
18 foot.
In the description, we'll put in the description a link to the manual. Also a link in the description, we'll put a link for the Singe graphics we got. Mason, what kind of graphics are these? America.
America.
We got America graphics. Got his name and his own number, whatever you want to pick from. Now we're going to add the oil. So how much oil are we going to add?
Millions.
0.6, not millions. And we don't have anything to measure, so we're just going to add some oil. Then we'll use the dipstick. We'll use the dipstick to measure it.
I can't
Here you go.
it.
Okay, hold on.
I didn't think I would know. That's why you called me over here.
Yep.
No, just kidding. I don't even.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You do 0.6 quarts, not very much. Oh, almost full. Let's see, we'll do a little more.
I didn't know that.
Yep. Whoop. Look, just down in there a little bit more. There we go. Now to get started, put a towel under there.
When am I gonna run it?
Well, after we get done with this video, then you can take off on it.
Yeah. Can I ramp it on that
Yeah,
that
you can.
stamp thing?
You want to ramp it?
Yeah, I already ramped it.
Okay. Let's see where we're at. See if this is full.
Can I go see if it's still there?
Come here. Let's look. Where's that line? See that line right there?
Yeah.
We're right to the top of the checkered line.
No!
Perfect. Good job. Now,
You never do that.
now what's next, Mason? What are we gonna do?
Nothing.
We're gonna ride it.
Oh.
You ready to ride it?